Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvia Anastasia. I'm a student from the Department of Office Management and Business Service at SMK Negeri 1 Ketapang. What are the lessons we will learn? In the 10th grade, you will be taught number 1, management business process, number 2, K3 office, and number 3, 5R at work. Then in 11th grade, we will study correspondence, archive, finance, business economics, and general administrative management. And then in 12th grade, we will study archive, office technology, and script writing. Apart from that, we will learn about table manner, beauty class, then finger typing. And in the independent curriculum, there is an education lesson, namely public speaking. What can you graduate from this major? Graduate of this major can become entrepreneur in the field of office computer, promotion of marketing, and advancing service and organizer. Could also be secretary, administrative tasks, and customer service exclusive. Come join us in the Office Management and Business Service program at SMK Negeri 1 Ketapang. Ayu Ting Ting is 18. Thank you for everything. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.